Welcome to the Project Management and Monitoring Systems (PWMS) for Department of Housing and Urban Affairs, Assam. Powered by Scapling Technologies Private Limited. This solution helps manage a project from start to end with important project activities like track, analyze progress, KPI based on milestone, SLA, notification, notes and book maintenance and geotagging. Go to www.assamdohua.com and log in. In the dashboard you can see all active and inactive projects. You can search projects by name. You can create new projects by clicking here. You can fill details and save by clicking Submit button. You can see project details here. There is integration with Geotag. The map shows details of all projects that can be viewed with representation of all current and finished projects in KML map. Stores details of funds received with transaction records. The cost disbursement is with visual graph. Engineers can update or delete disbursement. It also has performance-based indicator, milestone dates, service level agreement SLA and notifications. Next tab shows physical progress bars. DPR and documents can be digitally stored, promotes government's Go Green initiative. The platform is self-service enabled. The gallery stores the photographs of various stages of a project. Measurement book records measurement details of the project. All notes and meeting minutes can be captured digitally. It promotes transparency. Public can write feedback about a project. Assembly questions and answers are stored here. Built with most modern systems specifications. Built with most modern systems specifications. Geotag has a mobile view for easy upload. Can capture images from camera or upload existing photo. Geotag photos are based on district, municipality board, assembly name, and project. In a nutshell, this is a complete solution for project management. Thank you.